Hey there, plant lovers. Welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today, we're diving into a breathtaking plant that's both elegant and easy to care for, the angel-wing snow-capped begonia. Begonias have been cultivated for centuries, with origins tracing back to tropical and subtropical regions of South America. The angel snow-capped begonia is a stunning variety of begonia, a species known for its cane-like growth and lush foliage. This particular variety is prized for its delicate white speckles, which make it look like it's been dusted with fresh snow. The angel snow-capped begonia is an eye-catching plant with elongated wing-shaped leaves. The deep green foliage is splashed with white, creating a frosted effect that makes it stand out among the other begonias. The leaf undersides often have a subtle reddish hue, adding extra visual interest. When in bloom, this begonia produces elegant clusters of soft pink to red flowers that contrast beautifully with its snowy leaves. Angel snow-capped begonia prefers bright, indirect light. Too much direct sun can cause leaf burn, while too little may reduce its beautiful variegation. It thrives in a well-draining potting mix with peat, perlite, and compost to retain its moisture without becoming soggy. Keep the soil evenly moist but avoid overwatering. Let the top inch of soil dry before watering again. This tropical beauty loves temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit and benefits from high humidity. Consider using pebble tray or humidifier if your indoor air is dry. Feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks during spring and summer to encourage lush foliage and continuous blooms. Regular pruning helps maintain a bushy shape. Remove any leggy growth or spent flowers to keep the plant looking vibrant. The angel snow-capped begonia pairs well with other shade-loving, humidity-loving plants. Great companions include ferns, caletheas, marantas, and peace lilies. The peace lilies' glossy leaves and white flowers complement the snow-capped begonia's speckled foliage perfectly. One of the coolest things about the angel snow-capped begonia is its ability to bloom multiple times a year when given the right conditions. It also has a vining tendency, meaning it can be trained up supports or allowed to cascade in hanging baskets. Plus, its speckled leaves often become more pronounced and brighter light, making it a dynamic plant that changes with its environment. While primarily grown as an ornamental plant, the angel snow-capped begonia is more than just a pretty face. It also acts as a natural air purifier, helping to improve indoor air quality. Thanks to its elegant foliage, it's a fantastic choice for home decor, office spaces, and shaded patios. Whether displayed as a tabletop plant or as a tall floor specimen, it brings a touch of sophistication to any space. And there you have it, the stunning angel snow-capped begonia. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more plant care tips. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.